Hi, this is Dave from DIY Domination. Would you like to learn how to choose sustainable farming equipment? Today, we will guide you through this process. Sustainable farming equipment is the future of agriculture, combining technology and eco-friendly practices to create a healthier, more productive farming environment. This equipment is designed with the planet in mind, focusing on energy efficiency, renewable energy use, and reduced emissions. But it's not just about the environment. Sustainable farming equipment can also improve farm productivity, reduce costs over time, and help you meet regulatory requirements. This video is your step-by-step guide to choosing sustainable farming equipment. We will cover everything from assessing your farming needs and understanding sustainable practices to selecting materials and evaluating the total cost of ownership. So, whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, this guide is for you. Now let's dive into how to choose sustainable farming equipment. By the way, if you like this video and want to see more videos with advice on sustainable farming practices, make sure to click the subscribe button and leave a comment down below saying, "I subscribed," and we'll do our best to reply to your comment. The first step in choosing sustainable farming equipment is understanding your farming needs. This is pivotal, as it enables you to identify the specific tasks and operations for which you require equipment. Ask yourself, what daily operations does my farm undertake? This might range from tilling the soil, planting seeds, irrigating crops, to harvesting produce. Each of these tasks may require a different type of equipment, so it's crucial to have a clear understanding of your daily operations. Next, consider the size of your farm and the scale of your operations. Are you managing a small family farm or a large-scale commercial operation? The size and scale of your farm will greatly influence the type of equipment you need. For instance, smaller farms may require less complex equipment compared to large farms. Knowing your farming needs will guide your sustainable equipment selection. So take the time to understand your operations and you're well on your way to making a sustainable choice. With your farming needs in mind, the next step is to familiarize yourself with sustainable farming practices. Organic farming, for instance, shuns synthetic chemicals, opting for natural methods of pest control and fertilization. On the other hand, permaculture and agroecology focus on creating sustainable and self-sufficient agricultural ecosystems that work harmoniously with nature. Now, let's delve into some key principles. Soil health is paramount. Healthy soil teeming with beneficial microbes and nutrients promotes robust crop growth without excessive chemical inputs. Water conservation strategies, such as drip irrigation or rainwater harvesting, can help reduce water wastage. Lastly, biodiversity conservation is crucial. A diverse farm ecosystem with a variety of plants, insects, and animals can boost productivity and resilience against pests and diseases. Understanding these practices will help you identify the most suitable sustainable farming equipment. So keep these insights in mind as you embark on your journey towards more environmentally friendly farming. Next, consider the energy efficiency and renewable energy potential of the equipment. As we journey towards sustainable farming, the importance of energy-efficient equipment cannot be overstated. The less energy our machinery consumes, the lesser the strain on our planet's resources. But how do we gauge this efficiency? One way is by considering the fuel efficiency of tractors and other machinery. The more work a machine can do with a gallon of fuel, the better. But there's more to energy efficiency than just fuel consumption. Electric and hybrid options are becoming increasingly popular in the farming industry. These machines run on electricity, either entirely or partially, reducing their reliance on fossil fuels. They're not just more energy efficient, they also emit fewer pollutants, making them an excellent choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Now, let's talk about renewable energy. The sun and the wind are two of the most abundant sources of energy on our planet. And the best part? They're completely renewable, meaning we won't run out of them. More and more farming equipment can now be powered by these renewable sources. Solar-powered water pumps, for instance, can provide a reliable supply of water for irrigation without the need for conventional energy sources. Wind turbines, on the other hand, can generate electricity to power various farm operations. However, shifting to renewable energy is not just about using the right equipment. It's also about creating the infrastructure to support this shift. This could mean installing solar panels or wind turbines on your farm to generate your own renewable energy. Remember, every step we take towards energy efficiency and renewable energy use is a step towards a more sustainable and resilient farming future. It's about making choices that benefit both our farms and our planet. Equipment that is energy efficient and can use renewable energy sources is a great sustainable choice. The materials used in the equipment, as well as its durability and lifespan, are also crucial factors. When choosing farming equipment, it's important to consider the materials from which the equipment is made. Environmentally friendly materials, those that are recyclable or biodegradable, are excellent choices. Not only do they reduce the carbon footprint of your farming operations, but they also contribute to a healthier planet. For instance, equipment made from biodegradable materials will break down naturally over time, reducing waste and potential pollution. Another consideration is the carbon footprint of manufacturing and transporting the equipment. Choosing equipment made locally or from manufacturers that prioritize sustainable practices can considerably reduce the carbon emissions associated with the production and transportation of your farming tools. But it's not just about the materials used in your equipment. Durability and longevity are equally important. Durable equipment that can withstand the rigors of farming is a sound investment. It reduces the need for frequent replacements, saving you money in the long run and minimizing waste. Longevity goes hand in hand with durability. Equipment that is designed to last for many years is not only cost-effective, but also more sustainable. It means fewer resources are used in the production of new equipment, and less equipment ends up in landfills. Consider, for example, a tractor. A durable, long-lasting tractor made from sustainable materials may have a higher upfront cost, but it will pay for itself in the long run. It will require fewer repairs, it will need to be replaced less frequently, and it will have a smaller environmental impact. So when selecting your farming equipment, think of the bigger picture. Look at the materials used, the durability of the equipment, and its expected lifespan. These factors will not only influence the sustainability of your farming practices, but also the overall cost and efficiency of your farm. Choosing durable equipment made from sustainable materials reduces environmental impact and long-term costs. Now, let's look at how precision technology, emission reduction, and water efficiency can contribute to sustainability. Precision technology is a game changer in sustainable farming. It optimizes resource use, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Imagine GPS-guided tractors that know exactly where to till, plant, and fertilize, or sensors that monitor soil moisture, ensuring crops get just the right amount of water and nutrients. These technologies streamline operations, save valuable resources, and improve crop yield, all while reducing environmental impact. Next, let's talk about emission reduction. Farming equipment, like any machinery, can contribute to air pollution, but the good news is there are options out there that adhere to stringent emission standards and emit fewer pollutants. Consider electric or hybrid options. Not only do these alternatives minimize air pollution, but they can also be more energy efficient and cost-effective in the long run. Remember, every little bit of emission reduction can make a big difference to our planet's health. Now, onto water efficiency. Water is a precious resource, and its efficient use is crucial in sustainable farming. Efficient irrigation systems, such as drip irrigation, deliver water directly to the root zone of plants. This minimizes evaporation and runoff, ensuring every drop counts. Additionally, consider rainwater harvesting systems. They can supplement your irrigation needs, reduce your dependence on groundwater, and help conserve this vital resource. So, when choosing farming equipment, think about how it can help you farm more precisely, reduce emissions, and use water efficiently. These considerations go hand in hand with sustainability. They not only make your farm more environmentally friendly, but may also improve its profitability and resilience in the face of changing climate conditions. Incorporating these aspects into your equipment choices can significantly enhance your farm's sustainability. Finally, consider the manufacturer's support, ease of maintenance, local sourcing options, financial considerations, and regulatory compliance. Manufacturer support is crucial, especially for those providing training in sustainable farming practices. As for maintenance, equipment that's easy to repair with readily available, eco-friendly parts is a winner. Local sourcing is another key factor. If you can source your equipment locally, you're not only supporting your local economy, but you're also reducing transportation-related emissions. Regarding your finances, don't just look at the initial price tag. Consider the total cost of ownership, which includes operating expenses and potential savings from sustainable practices. Lastly, regulatory compliance is a must. Your equipment should meet local environmental regulations and standards. Taking these factors into account will ensure you choose equipment that is truly sustainable and beneficial for your farm. So, we've covered the steps to choosing sustainable farming equipment. But why is it so important? In a nutshell, sustainable farming equipment is the cornerstone of environmentally responsible farming practices. It's about selecting tools that maximize energy and water efficiency, reduce emissions, and promote the conservation of our precious resources. Remember, the equipment you choose should align with the size and scale of your operations and be powered, where possible, by renewable energy sources. Embrace precision farming technologies that optimize resource use and always consider the total cost of ownership. The benefits of sustainable farming equipment are manifold. Not only does it help protect our environment, but it also contributes to resource conservation and long-term cost savings. It's a win-win situation, really. By choosing sustainable farming equipment, you're investing in the future of your farm and the planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards sustainable farming. If you like this video, then make sure to also watch these videos for more DIY sustainable farming practices.